It's the Play-Doh Ultimate Ice Cream Truck Playset!
Wow! Wow! It's like a real ice cream truck!
Wow, the refrigerator door really opened! Ellie, can you get some more Play-Doh compound?
Okay.
Is my art piece ready yet?
That'll be $2. One, two. Thank you. Here you go.
Oh no!
I'm so sorry.
Don't worry, we'll make you another one.
Can you come back in an hour, please?
Aw, okay.
This is art!
Thank you.
I must display this in my art gallery today.
Wow, okay.
Please make more pieces. I'll see you in an hour.
He's in an hour.
Quick, get the Play-Doh compound.
We're running low.
What about the big Play-Doh compound?
It's empty.
With the art gallery.
Ah, let's mix colors.
Let's mix red and orange.
I like it. Let's try blue and red. I like this better.
What now?
Ah! Let's put purple and white. Let's try purple and white. Look at this creation.
You did it.
No, we did it. Let's make soft serve ice cream. Here you go, Alex.
Thank you. This looks like pistachio colored Play-Doh creation.
It has real music and sounds. Strawberry lemon creation. There's 27 different tools. There's also a cash register.
This is my apple berry creation.
Let's clean up.
The scooping station's ready.
Oh no!
The show's in 10 minutes. We gotta go.
Wait! But what about Auntie?
Oh, I need another one of these.
I got it. Here.
Thank you. Let's go.
The gallery's now open. Come on in.
Wow, amazing.
I know. What a success. Can you make more tomorrow?
Yes, you can.
No problem. Question, can I get another art piece, please? Sure, coming right up. Don't forget the sprinkles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, this is nice. Bye.
Parents, the Play-Doh Ultimate Ice Cream Truck Playset is now available at Walmart, Target, and Amazon. This video features the 12 Play-Doh compounds that come with the Ultimate Ice Cream Truck Playset, as well as additional Play-Doh compounds that are available wherever Play-Doh is sold. Batteries not included. This was an ad for Hasbro.